Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you this Rampage toolbox. This looks like a jerry can, but it's actually a toolbox, and it's sitting really pretty, nice and bright over here in the back of my Humvee with the actual diesel jerry cans. Let me open it up and show you what's inside. So here's where you get it. I bought it from Amazon. It's from Rampage Products, and it's a red universal trail can storage box. Looks like a jerry can, but it's a toolbox inside. It's around $80, but I've seen them go for as high as $100, $120 with taxes, and they come in different colors too. I have these locking straps on my toolbox / jerry can. So let me remove it, and then I'll show you what's inside the toolbox. Okay, so I've removed the strap, and I have this stuck on the top over here so that it doesn't go too far from the truck, and that's fine. So how does this work? Well, this does have a key. And with that key you can lock and unlock it. That's unlocked. Once that's done, you can open it by turning it this way. You can lock it by turning it that way. So let's open it. Look at that. Very nice indeed. So this top shelf has a little carry away box. That's so cool. You can put little wrenches and stuff in it. Now all of these come with a liner. I like that. It's pretty nice. Good quality stuff. And this opens up like that. You have space on the door for screwdrivers or pens, whatever you'd like to put in there. Then you have extra space on the top here if you want to put anything in this spot, in this area. And you have two drawers. These drawers are deep. And of course they have liners in them too. See, soft anti-static liners. And the second one. They have little felt bases here so that it doesn't scratch or it doesn't make any noise when you've closed it and you're driving. These are quite deep. It's a really lovely set, and it looks just like a jerry can. Okay, let me put it back together. Slide that in there. Slide this in there. Put the little carry-out tray and fold the handle back in. Close this. This has a little R over here for Rampage. And shut that. Fairly simple. That closes and you lock it. That's it. Ready to go back in the jerry can holder. Have a great day, guys.